Congratulations, you now have your own Instax Square inspired template. Open your Canva app, click Create a Design, and then click Custom Size. Now, right on this tab under Units, always remember to change this px into IN, which means inches. This will be the unit of measurement that we will be using throughout the whole document. Now enter these values, 8.27 by 11.69 inches. This is the size of an A4 paper. Now you have this A4 sized portrait document. Now go to Elements, find Shapes. Under Shapes, click this. It might come in other colors, but just change it to white. Then just click border icon here, change it to 1. There you go. Now click on the box again, then find position. Right on this tab, change it into these values again, 2.51 by 3.01 inches. Now click on Elements again. This time we're going to find Frames. Scroll down here and then when you see this, click this. Now click Position again and input these values. Since we are going for a square, of course they both have the same width and height, 2.17 by 2.17 inches, and just drag it here. As easy as that. Congratulations, you now have your own Instax Square inspired template. Tip number 1, always remember to group it first so that when you move it, they move all together. Because if you don't group it, when you drag to move it, you're gonna have to move it one by one. So let's avoid that, shall we? Let me make it easier for you. Now, if you do this, you can fit up to 9 per page. There you go. Now you have your own drag and drop Instax Square inspired template. Tip number 2, if you don't want that image, just right click, detach image, and then move it freely or delete it. Tip number 2.1, you can just go put another image over it. I also made tutorials about how to make Instax Mini for portrait photos and Wide for landscape photos. If you haven't watched those yet, I will put the link of that playlist in the description box so you can check them out, or you can click here, or you can choose from the 2 videos that will pop up by the end of this video. Oh hi, you're still here. Since you made it to the end of this video, I have a gift especially for you. I'm giving you a free template of your choice among the 3, Instax Mini, Wide, or Square. Simply comment, I want the template too. Say why you want it. For example, use it for my business and then add your email or Instagram username. Okay, that's it. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. So I just wanted to add that these are all the other available templates that we have. Now we have it in white and also the colored version. Now this is the price list, and if you have time, please do drop by in our Instagram page. I will be displaying the photos of the templates that we have here. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified for the next videos. Thank you so much.